if you are a writer or anything you want to listen your song on BMI, watch the video to the end so you understand how to listen your song on BMI the proper way. Pay attention. Alright, let me show you how. Okay, this is my BMI account. First, you register new work. If you hasn't created a BMI account, you can go and create. Some people that already have a BMI account. It's easy to create. Very easy to create. So you register new work. You see, if you show like this, so you talk add new work. So let's add new work. This is my account name. You see, press all genders. Yes. You wait a little bit. You put the song name you want to register, the song name that you want to register. Put the song name. This is the song name I want to put is. This is my song name. The minute of the song, 2 minutes, some 2 seconds. You can put any second you want, but I put my own song second to register. You get me? Pay attention to watch it step by step. You will start to register your song. Go. Say music or lyrics, music and lyrics or only music. You put only music, but it's my own only music. My song is only music. I don't upload the lyrics. If your song has lyrics, you can put music and say if your song is public arrangement and stuff, other version like have different version. No, I don't have a song that have other version, so I put no. So this work contains samples or melodies. No, my song do not contain. If your song contain, I press yes. Next, then you press next. Pay attention. Oh, they say are there any publisher in this work? No, like publisher like 1 PM. They can help you to do publishing. You say you want to use your name or you can new name. So my name, since I am the writer on the song, only me that write the song and do everything on the song. Percentage share 200%. If you are 2 people, you can do 100 or 50%. Next, you can add another writer if you are 2 people. You show like this. You read everything. Make sure everything is correct. So everything is correct. Touch next. Go to the next section. It's very easy to pay attention actually. Don't know people are complaining. Are there any artists? Yes. Are there any recordings? Yes. Was this work created for film, TV, or theater or music library? No. It's not created for film. If your song is created for film, you press yes. The artist name, put the full name in this up. Once it's 2 names, you can put last name and you get. Album, EP, single, the recording title, the same song name you are registering. You put the release date. You can use any date you want. The date that the song came out, you can use it. For this song released by the record label, no. If you release your song by a record label, you can put yes or any record label, but no, I release my song independently. So you get. You also look every time thing is perfect, so don't make mistake. Oh, yeah, no doubt. Don't make mistake. Once you look everything is perfect. Look the titles, the recordings, the release date, you press next. Okay. Family pain. You read everything. Make sure everything is correct. All gender, music only. Work, read everything. Make sure I read everything. I make sure my own correct. So I hope you will read yours because it's correct. This is BMI. It's very easy. It's the best con. It's the best. You can use it to connect it to your 1 PM self. That if your song has already having momentum. So are you ready to submit? Yes. The best and easy way to submit your song to BMI is this. If you pay attention to what I'm showing you, you see successfully submit. You wait like 1 day or 2 days, they will send you the notification that your song is successfully submitted. That is the way. So if you learn anything, hit the subscribe button, the like button, comment. If you don't understand, I will give you personal teachings. I offer personal lessons. So I teach in this channel how to record song, how to sing song, how to debut song, how to make your song go viral more. You get me? So peace out.